Osteoporosis affects a staggering 10 million Americans, causes 2 million fractures per year, and costs the nation roughly $19 billion annually. This gradual thinning out of the bones, or low bone density, has the risk of leading to fractures, loss of height or stooped posture, and decreased quality of life. When you're over 50, the chances of growing osteoporosis increase, and women are more vulnerable to it than men. The main factor that develops this disease is the deficiency of calcium and vitamin D. Discover our top 10 foods that are loaded with nutrients and vitamins to bolster your bones when you age beyond 50. Number 1. Plant milk and dairy milk. We instinctively perceive cow's milk as a solid calcium source, and with good reason. But milk made from almonds, rice, or soy is typically fortified to reach a calcium level similar to its dairy counterpart. 8 ounces contains 350 to 400 milligrams, but watch out for sugar that might be added to plant milk. Milk has several nutrients, and 18 out of the 22 are most important for human health, including calcium. It's also considered one of the richest sources of naturally occurring calcium. According to the Dietary Guidelines for Americans, different types of milk contain various amounts of calcium. Now, some examples include the following. 1 cup of 1% milk contains 305 milligrams of calcium. 1 cup of skim milk, 298 milligrams. 1 cup of buttermilk, 284 milligrams of calcium. Number 2. Dried figs. Now, figs are not only a chewy delight for you, but they're also a good source of both calcium and potassium, minerals that work together to help prevent osteoporosis. Dried figs contain healthy plant-based nutrients called phytochemicals, as well as chemicals such as antioxidants that prevent cell damage. Dried figs are delectably sweet and provide a super easy snack. You can store them in an airtight container at room temperature for 6 to 12 months. A serving size of 60 grams of dried figs offers a calcium content of 97 milligrams. Even 1 serving daily can help save you from osteoporosis. Number 3. Almonds. Almonds really are a kind of super nut loaded with calcium. Not only do they provide calcium, a mainstay of strong bones, but they also offer phosphorus, the second most abundant mineral in the body, which is important for the formation of bones. More than 85% of the phosphorus in the adult body is found in the bones. One of its key functions is working together with calcium to form and keep teeth and bones healthy, as well as to help maintain your energy levels. Phosphorus also plays a key role in how well our nerve cells and our brain functions. 1 cup of almonds delivers 365 milligrams of calcium, which is a super healthy dose for your bones. Number 4. Beans, aka legumes. So beans contain calcium, magnesium, fiber, and other nutrients. But there's also one downside. They're pretty high in substances called phthalates. Now, phthalates have the disruptive function of interfering with the body's ability to absorb the calcium that beans offer. It's kind of a catch-22, right? But here's the cool thing. There's a way to reduce the phthalate level in beans. You soak them in water for several hours and then you cook them in fresh water. If you had grandparents that did this, that's probably why. Here's the thing, beans of all kinds are a stellar source of calcium. You know, the mineral the body needs to build and maintain strong bones. Calcium only comes from the food that you intake because your body can't produce it naturally. So, without sufficient calcium in your diet, your body takes it from your bones, and over time they become weaker and are more prone to breaking. Beans also provide magnesium, a mineral that supports healthy bones. Now they're also rich in the mineral phosphorus, which your body needs to make energy. The serving size of 80 grams of raw red beans has a calcium content of 93 milligrams, whereas white beans contain 132 milligrams. Number 5. Oranges. These lovely globe-shaped oranges are full of vitamin C, also known as absorbic acid, which may help increase bone density, especially in the spine. A review of studies suggests that vitamin C decreases the risk of osteoporosis in people with lower levels of physical activity. In addition, vitamin C is crucial to the production of collagen, the most abundant protein in the body and a major component of bone. Oranges also contain calcium, albeit a very small amount. The good news? The vitamin C present in oranges boosts the absorption of calcium from food, and has the potential to speed bone healing after a fracture. One medium-sized orange offers about 55 milligrams of calcium. Number 6. A citrus berry smoothie with yogurt. Now, if that sounds delicious to you, just wait until you hear the health benefits. The fruity treat of a citrus berry smoothie with yogurt helps build your bones as you sip. It's also got a pretty cool recipe. You whip up a citrus berry smoothie and kill osteoporosis at the same time. You can blend fresh or frozen berries with yogurt and orange juice. Now sneak in a couple of tablespoons of vitamin D fortified powdered milk and add just a bit of vanilla, honey, and toasted wheat germ for flavor and texture. You can enjoy this fiber-filled, antioxidant-rich treat for breakfast, a snack, or anytime you need a nutrient boost. Number 7. Fortified Cereals. Keeping the fact in mind that most grains don't contain calcium naturally, adding calcium-fortified options is a treat for your bones. Since cereal is such a breakfast staple, take it with calcium-fortified things to help keep your bones healthy. There are different ways to enjoy these cereals, like adding them to your dessert and taking them along with your choice of milk for some additional calcium. This way, the serving will become super anti-osteoporosis, because around 1,500 milligrams per day is all your body really needs if you're at risk of osteoporosis. A half-cup serving of General Mills Total Crunch whole wheat flakes has 1,665 milligrams of calcium. Number 8. Fortified Juices. Juices have calcium-fortified options too, so you can keep your bones healthy. In fact, 1 cup of fortified 100% grapefruit juice has 350 milligrams of calcium, and 1 cup of calcium-fortified 100% orange juice has 349 milligrams of calcium. Sugar content is important to watch out for with fortified juices too. Now, some fortified drinks may contain a lot of added sugars, and 100% fruit juices might have as much total sugar as sugar-sweetened beverages like soft drinks. If you have a specific fortified juice you plan to buy, check its nutrition label. No more than 10% of your daily calories should come from sugars. A good rule of thumb is to look at how much sugar is in 1 serving of the juice. For example, in a 240 milliliter serving of 100% calcium-fortified orange juice from concentrate, there are 110 calories and 22 grams of sugar. If your daily calorie needs are around 1,400 calories, 10% of those calories would be around 140 calories for sugar. A serving of that juice would keep you under the recommended sugar calorie limit, but only if other foods and drinks you consume had very low or no sugar. So it would be helpful to aim for unsweetened or less sweetened juices that are healthier. Number 9. Sunflower seeds. It's possible for nuts and seeds to play a role in bone health, and sunflower seeds are a good source of calcium. 1 cup of sunflower seeds contains 90 milligrams of calcium. Besides providing you with calcium, nuts and seeds can offer other nutrients such as potassium and magnesium. Magnesium in particular is another mineral good for bones, as it helps make the bones in your body. Also, individuals who consume higher amounts of magnesium have stronger, healthier bones. And finally, at number 10, Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts are the large seeds of giant trees grown in the Amazon jungle. These tree nuts provide a low-fat source of micronutrients. Now, they're unique because they contain the highest amounts of selenium found in foods consumed by humans. Selenium is a trace mineral that plays a key role in many aspects of your health. It supports your thyroid hormone, metabolism, and reproduction. And it also protects cells from damage and infection. These nuts are a powerhouse of magnesium and calcium, and both of these nutrients are essential for super healthy bones. A 1-ounce serving of Brazil nuts has around 25 to 33% of your recommended daily dose of magnesium, which plays an important role in bone density. A good amount of magnesium leads to a higher bone density. So, which of these food options is your favorite to keep your bone health up to par? Make sure you let me know in the comments section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next informative video.